Good morning, dear friends. This is your buddy Bill Oxidean. What we've got here is a rampage that I shipped to a customer, and somehow UPS did us wrong. They banged that thing around like Jim Carrey in Pet Detective. Anyway, that's no fault of the customer. So what we did is we had the customer send this rampage back. We fixed and revamped it, and we're gonna go meet the customer in person. A tip got chipped and we completely repaired it. The battery tray busted out, so we completely revamped it. We cut the front end off of the tray and remounted it just for the switches. We mounted the ESCs directly to the belly pan with double-sided tape. We also made this really trick panel. It covers up the wiring, makes things a lot neater. The customer also wanted this really neat radio box for his receiver, so we installed that as well. The back end had damage, so we replaced this bracket here. We completely rehosed the boat. We put in all new water lines and rerouted everything so beautifully. We hope the customer likes it. Now the object is, we want this boat to be turnkey for the customer. In fact, we're gonna go take a 6-hour drive to go meet this customer in person, to hand them their boat, hand delivered, explain everything we've done, and give them a chance to meet Bill Oxidean. They also wanted a couple of Oxidean Marine t-shirts, which we have right here for them. All right, we are here. We got this rampage on the table. Yeah. Got everything explained out. Plugged everything in. Tried it out right in front of the gentleman and made sure his boat is running. And this is the type of service we offer. Things didn't go well with shipping. UPS hammered it around like like Jim Carrey in Pet Detective. But that's no fault of my customers, and that's no fault of anybody's besides UPS. And this shows I will go the extra mile. I'll go far out of my way to rectify these situations. Now, what's ending up happening is this gentleman's getting a boat more than what he ordered. He ordered it a certain way, but we took it another phase just to make sure that people are happy. And that's what we're doing. We're not selling boats. We're selling an experience. We want people to have a great experience.
Oxidean Marine, who's got the fastest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidean Marine, yeah.